The lawyer representing David Varela, the Navy reservist accused of killing his wife, hiding her body, and leaving the country, has asked for an evaluation to see if Varela is mentally fit to stand trial. Derek Lytle spoke with 13 News Now legal analyst Ed Booth about how this could affect the case.
David Varela, accused of killing his wife Lina Guerra and fleeing to Hong Kong, now stands facing the possibility of a trial in the murder case against him. His lawyer has now asked the judge for a competency evaluation.
When you have these charges that again are so serious, the lawyers want to make sure that they're doing everything that's right, because at some point later somebody could say this man wasn't competent to stand trial.
13 News Now legal analyst Ed Booth says the doctor assigned to the evaluation will be tasked with determining if Varela is competent enough to face his charges in court.
Certain physicians that are able to do this, obviously their criteria that they're looking for that's, beyond kind of standard mental health.
Booth says while people have been found not guilty by a reason of insanity in the past, it's a rare outcome and they are still held accountable in a different way.
In Virginia, there are very infrequent instances where somebody is found, not guilty by reason of insanity, and if they are, they're effectively confined, through another process, not criminal.
Booth says there are two separate instances that can be evaluated: sanity at the time of the crime and competency to stand trial. He adds the prosecution will have their opportunity to counter anything found in the evaluations.
The Commonwealth has an opportunity to have their own doctors and effectively have a battle of expert witnesses as to whether or not someone actually was sane at the time of the offense.
The competency evaluation will have to be completed by his July 21st court date. Derek Lytle, 13 News Now.
Varela is due back in court Thursday morning for a bail hearing. Norfolk Commonwealth's attorney Ramin Fatahi says his office opposes Varela getting bond.